What is the name of the 8 white squares surrounding resizable views? I came across this annoying moment while writing a how-to article and realized I didn't know the name of those white squares that surround views. Here's some images for clarification. Windows PowerPoint, Mac Xcode,
Terms for these may vary from platform to platform, but on the Mac I believe they're called the handles on the selection box.
I would refine Spiff's answer a bit and say they are the resize handles, since one typically uses them to resize the object of interest. Per Dupload's comment, this appears to be the nomenclature used by Microsoft. See, for example, use resize and rotation handles on MSDN.
I typically call them control points. Here are some web references that use similar terminology. Apple's Motion 4 Manual. You can also use the on-screen control points to resize the rectangle. An article on resizing graphics in CS5. In the default scaling mode, the selection scales graphic elements from the control point opposite the one you're dragging. From Microsoft Office 2003 in 10 Simple Steps or Less by Michael Desmond. When you hover your mouse cursor over a cell or table edge, the boundary turns blue, indicating a layout area. Click this boundary and control points appear. You can click and drag these points to resize. I agree with the comment by Steve Rinsberg that mentioned that the preferred terminology might vary by application, and will note that Microsoft's documentation on PowerPoint appears to use control point for Bezier curves and resize handle, as suggested by P2Pi, for resizing.
To me, theses are anchors of the bounding box.